Today we'll show you how to make Nasi Katok sambal. Nasi Katok is a popular meal in Brunei which consists of plain rice, fried chicken and sambal. The ingredients we'll need are onions, tamarind, dried shrimp, dried chillies, fresh red chillies and oil. The shrimp and the red chillies need to be soaked in hot water for 30 minutes. Add some water on the tamarind paste and discard the seeds. Blend the onions with oil until you form a smooth paste. Blend the dried shrimp and the red chillies after straining the water. Add some oil and blend it together. Now blend the red chillies with some oil. As now we have prepared the blended ingredients, we will start with the sambal. This is the blended onion, the blended shrimp and red chillies, and red chilli. Heat the pan and add some oil. Now stir fry the onion until it's golden brown. Now add the shrimp paste and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add the red chili paste and the tamarind and stir. Add some salt and sugar for taste. The last ingredient, which is an optional, we'll be adding ikan bili, or in English, dried anchovy. After 45 minutes of preparing the sambal, it's ready to be served. Now our Nasi Katok is ready to be served. If you think this video was useful, then don't forget to like and share. Also, if you would like to watch more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button. Thanks, bye!